The acacia wood that was used in the tent was called. The gova tree that Noah used to make the ark was called. God told Noah the kind of wood he will use. So anything can be called. Oh, no, bro. Bro, you are not getting it right. The hand of God is upon me. Excuse me. Once upon a time, the hand of God came upon the house of Balaam, and he spoke in the tongues of men. Oluwambe lórí ayé mi o, ngbe mi fo, ogberanko na fo, eja ko ndire pe. Am I communicating to you? We are dealing with the kingdom of God here. How will you say that Jesus is in me and Jesus Christ is the full embodiment of the kingdom? This is where we know that majority of us, we are liars. No, David, who wasn't a New Testament saint, knew what we are talking